Good morning, students. Let's again have a quick revision of transformation of sentences. Which we have already done. This topic consists of using to and without using to. Let's begin without wasting our time. Look, the things which we have to consider and keep in our mind is, it's very easy, like she is too weak to run. Look over here, my sentence is, she is too weak to run. What we have to do is, I am going to change this to into so. Bas. This to will be replaced by that. This we have to consider, this to will be replaced by so, and this to will be replaced by that. Now what I am going to do is, as it is I am going to write this, she is so weak that. Done. Now after this, what I am going to do, I am going to add this subject's pronoun. Whatever, if it's a pronoun then it's okay, if it's a noun I am going to interchange into pronoun. So what I'll be write over here, I am already having pronouns, so I am going to write she. She is so weak that she. Now next question arises for the tense. Which tense is it? If it's a present tense, I am going to write cannot. And if it's past tense, I am going to write could not. Over here is here, so it's very clear it's present tense, so I am going to add cannot. She is so weak that she cannot. Now again the concluding part of the sentence. That's it. Now if, like, look at the second sentence, the tree is too high for me to climb. The tree is too high for me to climb. The thing is then, when it's it, when the subject, this subject, the pronoun which we are going to use for this subject is it, then what we have to consider, like it cannot do its own work, it's an direct object. Clear? So what we are going to do, the tree. Now the same thing is to be followed. What we have to consider, to will be replaced by so, this to will be replaced by that. Okay? Now as it is, chalo I'll change it over here as a was. The tree was so high. Clear? Now can you see this phrase over here, for me? ये कब यूज करना है? when over here there is an indirect object, मतलब जब we can say it pronoun, we have to use, we can replace this subject with it. When we are going to replace the subject with it, this noun, ये जो भी noun है, we are using a pronoun it for it, then we are going to use this phrase to वाली line में. ठीक है? Now the tree was so high that, now I am going to use this pronoun instead of this, that I. Clear? नहीं तो हर बार what I did in the earlier sentence, I used this pronoun only over here, she, yes or no? But in this, when we are having this phrase for me, so I am going to use this pronoun only, but it's objective case. तो me का objective क्या हो जाएगा? I. तो sorry, subjective. ठीक है? The tree was so high that I was है, इसलिए I am going to use could, that I couldn't climb. That's it. I hope you understood. Now let's begin with so. Okay, let's begin now. Now look over here. Now I am going to start without using to. That this time it's opposite one we are going to do. If we are having, we have already written the same sentences over here, so that you may not get confused. She is so weak that she cannot run. The same sentence which we have earlier done. So what I am going to do, when we have to do without using to. Now I am asking you to frame sentence using to. तो वही चीज़ है, so will be replaced by to उल्टा हो जाना एकदम उसका. That will be replaced by 2. Is it clear? Now the same thing. She is too weak. Sorry. She is too weak too. Now whatever we added in previous question, look over here. What did I add? I added this. Yes or no? I added this pronoun. I added cannot. So I am going to remove this time. She is too weak to. I'll remove this. I'll remove this. ये दोनों चीज़ remove कर देनी है बस. She is too weak to run. That's it. Whichever pronoun is being used. अच्छा, before removing, make sure this and this pronoun, these two are equal. Like this is also she, this is also she. These two pronouns should be equal. Then you can remove this. If they are not equal, you are not supposed to remove. In the next sentence, we will be checking for that. And after removing this pronoun, that के just वाला pronoun we have to remove, and we have to remove cannot या could not, whatever it is. So I removed and I've replaced so with 2 and that with 2. Now look at the next sentence. The tree was too high that I could not climb. Now look, the same thing. So and that will be replaced by 2 and 2. तो क्या हो जाएगा? The tree was as it is, so will be replaced by 2. As it is high, that will be replaced by 2. Now wait, now before removing I just check these two pronouns. ये और ये सेम होना चाहिए. सेम pronoun should be there. मतलब if it's over here the tree, तो यहाँ it होना चाहिए. If it's not matching, as we never use I for the tree. So if when they both are not matching, so we are going to use this phrase for किसके लिए it's very high. For I will change into me. The tree was too high for me. When these two subjects do not match, then I am going to add this. नहीं तो I am just going to remove them. Is it clear? The tree was too high for me. Now I am going to remove this to climb. That's it. I hope you all understood. Thank you and let's meet again.